In this video, I will show you how to add a soundboard to your Discord server. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is open up Discord and come across to the server that you want to add a soundboard to. So you can see on the left hand side, you should have your server list. Give a click on the server you want to add a soundboard to, and once you've done that, what you want to do is come up to the top left hand corner, click onto the server name up here, and on this menu that comes up, come and click onto server settings. Once you're on your server settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side, and underneath the expression section, click onto soundboard. Now what you can do from here is start uploading sounds to your soundboard. You can see I've actually got a couple of different sounds I've already added, but you're going to see the blue upload sound button, which you need to click to upload your sounds to the soundboard on your Discord server. From here, what you can do is click the browse button, which can open up your computer's file explorer, and then you just simply need to locate the sounds that you want to add. So mine's in my downloads folder. I've got this wooden train whistle that I'm going to use as an example. Double click, and what that's going to do is upload the sound. And what you can then do is trim this sound down to make it as small or as big as you want to. And once that's done, what you can do is give your sound a name. So I'm going to call this one example whistle. And you can also click to add a related emoji. So it's a train whistle. So I'm going to locate a picture of a train to take this one for example. And you can also adjust the sound volume at the bottom as well using the slider bar. Now, at the moment, you might notice that the upload button is grayed out, and the reason for this is because the sound is actually too long to go onto the soundboard. So you can see the actual length at the moment is 5.11 seconds, so what we need to do is just make this a bit smaller by trimming it down, and it needs to be under 5 seconds to be added to the soundboard. So you can see now, this is now 4.58 seconds, and this is in green, which means we are good to go. So once you're happy with everything, just click the upload button. What it's going to do is upload this to your soundboard. Now to actually use any of your sounds that you've uploaded to your soundboard, it's really easy to do. What I'm going to do is come back to the server, and all you need to do is jump into a voice channel. Once you've done that, if you come down underneath here, you're going to see some different icons. You want to click onto this microphone looking thing here where it says open soundboard. And from here, what you can do is use the default Discord sounds, but you can also see our own custom sounds that we've uploaded here. And what we can do is just click any of these. So let's take the example whistle one that I just created, give it a click. And what that's going to do is, of course, play the sound on your soundboard. So that's how to add a soundboard to a Discord server. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.